This video is all about Region 1 or Ilocos region. Region 1 is a part of the Luzon Island Group. It is composed of 4 provinces, 9 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,267 barangays. Ilocos region is officially designated as Region 1, is an administrative region in the Philippines occuping the northwestern section of Luzon. It covers 4 provinces, namely Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, and Pangasinan. The regional center is the city of San Fernando. Ilocos region is bordered clockwise from the northeast by the Cagayan Valley, Cordillera Administrative Region, Central Luzon, and the South China Sea. The province of Ilocos Norte is composed of 2 cities, 21 municipalities, and 559 barangays. The province of Ilocos Sur is composed of 2 cities, 32 municipalities, and 768 barangays. For the province of La Union, it is composed of 1 city, 19 municipalities, and 576 barangays. The province of Pangasinan is composed of 4 cities, 44 municipalities, and 1,364 barangays. Once again, for Region 1 or Ilocos region, this is a part of the Luzon Island Group composed of 4 provinces, 9 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,267 barangays. And that is all about some information or facts that you should know about Ilocos region or Region 1. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.